So I am going to be starting a new series where I roleplay with other jammers. Sometimes it'll be roleplays that other people have made, sometimes it's ones that I've made. Today I am going to be creating a den for a wolf roleplay. So what den should I use? I want to use a den that's big enough, but not so big that we don't know where each other are. Okay, so I already have it decorated with some stuff. First, I'm gonna clear that out. I don't know if it's too big, but I'm gonna work with it. What floor? Let's use do those look naturey in the least? That looks naturey enough. Look to my other walls. I could use that. I don't know if I really like it. I could just, let's do that. I don't need the grass. We have grass out here. So, first, the sleeping area can be in here, the meeting area can be in here, and the lookout area can be here, and then here is just random area. Okay, I don't really want to buy any items, so let's see if I can do this with what I have. So, I don't think wolves like water, but we're gonna put in a waterfall. Here, this is a nature colored bed. There, have to get that too. This can be in the leader area. I feel like those can be useful, so I'm just gonna put them along that wall, along this wall for now, and okay. Oh, nope, one more. Gotta get. Okay, we got the giant mossy pond. That'll take up some serious space. There, nobody leaves. I'll put more plants there. There, blocks off the path. Okay then. Should I put this treehouse in the lookout? Let's do that. This isn't gonna be a great day, but it'll work. I am seriously like the worst den decorator. Unless I spend like hours doing it, they'll just come out so bad. Okay, here we go. More sleeping mats. They will sleep on the chairs. Gotta get it cozy. Okay, I think our sleeping area is going to be infested with clovers, but that's alright. I'll find some sort of chair, and we'll just put blank portals. And we'll actually put. There we go. This is the leader's area. Okay, more clovers for our sleeping area. What? That's it? Okay, I have to find some more stuff. I know I have 2 wolf totems. We'll put those. I won't be the leader in my pack. I'll let somebody else be the leader of. And then what are we gonna do in a pack? Are we gonna, like, hunt? I don't know. I used to roleplay a lot, but now I don't. Let's look up rugs. Let's see if I can get anything nice for... Oh, I still have all my plants. I didn't even put in all my plants. Okay. So let's organize the sleeping area. There we go. The sleeping area is organized. I can make it a winter forest. I have a bunch of these trees. Oh, okay. These are good. Clovers are good. Should I put those in the sleeping area? Make the sleeping area a bit more cozy? Yeah, but they won't go under. Yeah, I guess they will. No, I can move those to the lookout area. And then, do wolves usually have, like, a healer? Like a medicine wolf? Because I know warrior cats do. Okay, so I got it in my sleeping area. I think I still have rug. Okay. What am I gonna put up here? Let's put clovers. Clover. 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 There we go. This is the most beautiful den ever. Everyone is gonna love roleplaying this. I'm just gonna leave our cactus fence up there. Gotta get protection. Yeah, is there somewhere I can move my giant mossy pond? There, if we want to go fishing, we need a pond to go fishing. And then if you want to go hunting, there we go. Trees and trees and trees and trees and trees. And I know I have some more trees, so let's look up trees. And trees. And tree. I think that's it for trees. Okay. And then we need a chair. Let's look up chair. Or throne. Or something. I'm gonna cactus throne. No, I'm gonna look up throne. We only have cornucopia throne and Graham's throne. Neither of which I think will work. So let's look up chair again and see. Let's put a rocking chair. Wolves don't use those, but our wolves do. 2 wolves can sit in those and, I don't know, watch the stars. And there, I think my roleplay den is done. Isn't it just wonderful? So I'll give a tour. Here we go. Here is my trees. That's where you hunt. This is where you fish. And then you come in. And this is the leader's area. The leader sits on this chair. And then other wolves can sit on these and around them. Here's the lookout area. Here is another lookout area. And here is the sleeping area. How lovely. So I'm going to change into a wolf, and then I think I'm just about ready to go start my roleplay.